We don't want any. I'm leaving. Bye.
Stop it.
Oh.
I got my key card. You're okay.
Am I okay?
No. I don't know if you're gonna be though.
Maybe not.
Oh no.
Afterwards, you might.
This is not
Just to
good.
tell you, we both got arrested.
Yeah, we're delinquents now.
You want to see the tag on my ear? I got it hunted for illegal hunting.
And I got for nose booping.
And then we got double felony. And now it's going to be a triple felony because we're going to refer pile of death out of you.
Oh no. Help.
And I got ice on.
I think Dutchie is powerless here.
Dutchie can't do nothing at this
It's
point.
2 against 1.
You just gonna stand there?
Yeah?
Yeah.
She is.
Hold him down.
I don't like
Hold me down.
I have every right
What is
to.
this gonna be? Ah.
That's your problem.
You wanna tickle me to death?
Well, you gotta put yourself in that predicament, buddy.
I'm not ticklish.
I know you're not. But you gotta put yourself in that position right now.